everybody, it's Andrew from Dragonfly Park bringing you another YouTube video.
On a beautiful 40-degree day, I'll put the Fahrenheit conversion below for those in North America. These little machines, they're great. We've had rain, the grass is growing fantastically. You need to keep it down. You jump on your ride-on mower and you can start a fire simply by not keeping your machine clean and ready to roll. So I'm going to go through some of the things you need to do to make sure these babies are ready to tackle the grass when the weather is appropriate. One of the main areas we get a fire risk is down here on the deck. Down here accumulates fine grass, particles and so on. Pulleys spin really fast. They create friction onto the dry material, can start smoldering, and there's a lot of airflow around these. They do that deliberately to throw the grass out of the area. Smoldering grass, good air, you're going to get a fire. So with the pressure washer, we want to be getting right in, deep into the deck, clearing out all that material. Now usually what happens is you end up pushing material from one side to the other, so you just need to come back and hit each side a couple of times. Now one other area we need to pay special attention to is right around the motor. Where you've got fuel components, or on the other side of this one electrical, we don't want to hit them hard with the machine. What we want to check is that there's no accumulation of cut grass or grease or so on around the Now, particularly right at the very front of the machine on this particular model is the exhaust. And the exhaust naturally gets extremely hot, so we don't want any accumulated build up around it. Okay, so there we have it. I've been Andrew from Dragonfly Park. It's been a really quick video just to cover cleaning the engine, and especially the mower deck where that cut grass and material can accumulate and cause a fire risk. I'm not going to mow today. There's a very high fire danger. Temperatures upwards of 40. I'm going inside for a cool drink. I'll catch you next time. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram. And for those in Australia, there'll be links in the description on where you can buy your very own pressure cleaner so you can take care of your machinery just like we did. Thank you.